Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're just gonna briefly talk a little bit about the channel itself here on my own channel. What is gonna happen in the future and what is my plans right now and why do I have the title that I do have on this video. So I've been thinking a little bit about, as you know, if you have seen some of my older videos, what my plans are for the channel itself, and it actually isn't that I'm gonna quit. Absolutely not. So you don't have to worry about that. The thing is that I actually do feel like I don't have really much time right now. I'm going through a lot at work and I have a big project that I'm working on the side, which is the reason why I have so little time that I usually do have, because I'm a very good person at planning out my schedule for the week. What I'm gonna do, at what time, and when do I sleep. That's basically me every day. So with this new thing, it's gonna take a lot of time. There will be a new channel that is gonna be created with this new project, and there will be an update later on. Otherwise, I will be very sure to link it down below in both the comments and the description, so you can always go in on that new channel and check out what is this big thing that Kevin is working on behind the scenes. So that's the big announcement for that. And what I want to talk a little bit about this channel is actually my thoughts. I do love the traveling stuff and I do love all the filmmaking, so as I said before, I wanted to combine them, but I don't have the time right now to do all that, so this channel will actually have a little pause. Oh, come on! A break from this channel just to focus on the other one, like full effect. And why is it? Because I said before, I don't have time to be at both channels right now at the same time. It's just gonna be around maybe 1 to 2 months only, so it's not gonna be too long, and after that I can guarantee that you're gonna have really cool content as before on this main channel, because it is the main channel. And at that point I will probably do a little bit more about the traveling and the vlogs that I did before, but combined with more of the filmmaking aspect that I do like. I do feel like I need to go down to my old roots a little bit more, how I started, because now I don't feel as motivated doing my videos. So I want to go back to the old days where it was a little bit more vlogs, a little bit more fun, and I think you guys, what I can see in my analytics actually, is that you guys like that content so much better. That is what we're gonna do, so don't be hanging, because we're gonna have so much more fun when this break is over, and also the new big thing is gonna be released by then, so then you will know all about it already. Is there anything more I want to talk about? Ah yes, look at these super cool glasses I bought at the shop. Isn't it just really cool? The thing with this glass is that it has a double layer, so it's a layer inside. I just thought this was super cool, and I'm gonna have all my coffee in these from now on. And it's actually made of glass, even if I thought it was plastic at first, but it's actually glass. So that's one thing I just wanted to share with you. I do have some small things just to keep me busy when I actually have a little bit of time over, just to feel that I'm relaxing. So I'm making small terrariums and stuff with plants that I also have a few of already. So the first one I have is actually this one. So can we have focus please? Not a drum roll, but a focus. There we go. Now you can see my light. But this is the first one I made. It's pretty simple, pretty cool, not too big, but I like it.
That's what she said!
It has like a real small garden sense of feel, and it was just really nice to sit around with this just to relax a little bit, because otherwise I do everything else as a job basically. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I hope you're having an amazing time, and I will see you soon after the break. And also check for all the future updates that I do have on the channel and for the new channel, by the way. See you guys soon. Goodbye. Hoo-ha. Get the glass back to position. I've just made them very nice. Yes. Time to go back to work.